So this question tells us that two ducklings wander away from the nest, and it wants to know what the magnitude of their displacement is. In order to find the magnitude of the two ducklings' displacement, you first have to find the vector displacement of the two ducklings. In order to do that, you would subtract the displacement of the second duck from the displacement of the first duck, and that would give you the total change in their displacement. So in order to do that, we would do 13 minus 12, and you get 1 meter in the x direction. Then you would get negative 8 minus 5, that's negative 13 meters in the y direction. So that's, and then you get 0 meters in the z direction. So we have 1 meter in the x, negative 13 meters in the y, and that is our vector displacement for the two ducklings. In order to find the magnitude of their displacement, what you would do is you would take the 1x, or the 1 meter in the x direction, and you would square that, and you would add that to the 13 meters in the y direction and square that. So you're doing the Pythagorean theorem here. Now we don't use the negative for the 13 squared here, because negative and a negative, whenever you square them, becomes a positive. So you do the Pythagorean theorem, and if there was a z direction, we would also add that to this and square it. However, it's 0, so we just leave that alone. And our answer becomes 13.03 meters is the total magnitude of their displacement.